ready to turn tiny crypto movements into serious profits. Let's dive into scalping on Kraken Pro first. Log into your Kraken Pro account. We're focusing on speed, so click on Trade to get started. Select your trading pair. Like Bitcoin against USD, scalping is all about quick entries and exits, so we need to be fast. Head over to the order form. Forget complex strategies. We'll mainly use market and limit orders. Market orders execute instantly at the best available price. Perfect for getting in and out quickly. Limit orders let you set a specific price. Useful for targeting precise entry or exit points. Select market order. Adjust your trade size to a percentage of your total balance and execute. Next, set up your charts. Scalpers live and die by the 1-minute and 5-minute charts. Click on the time interval selection. Select 1-minute and 5-minute charts to spot those rapid price fluctuations. Now, indicators. Keep it simple. RSI and MACD can give you quick signals. Click on indicators and use the search bar to add relative strength index and moving average convergence divergence to your chart. Watch for RSI overbought or oversold conditions for potential reversals, and use MACD crossovers for entry and exit signals. Crucially, risk management. Always use stop-loss orders. Protect your capital before entering a trade. Determine your maximum acceptable loss. Set a stop-loss order slightly below your entry point to automatically exit the trade if it moves against you. Practice this strategy on paper first before committing real funds. Successful scalping is about speed, discipline, and knowing when to exit. Good luck and happy scalping.